somebody. No, we can't be turning.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Bosslikeangie, and we're here today because we want to know, is Dolly Parton's blueberry muffins worth it? Is it worth it? Is it worth your hard-earned money? Well, we're here to figure it out. We're here to find out. So let's find out together, you guys. If the Kardashians brought you here, drop it down low in the comments, because they are definitely the reason why I got into trying her products. I've tried her cookies before, and I've also made her brownies. You guys, check out that video, my brownie video, and you'll find out how that one went. But this, I always give honest reviews, you guys, and I'm gonna let you guys know if it's a flop, it's a flop. It's a no for me, and you're gonna hear that. And if it's not, it's gotta be pretty daggone good, because I'm very, very picky, you guys. Especially when it comes to desserts. If I like it, then I probably love it. And if I don't like it, okay, so we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna get together. We're gonna get things done. Let's get started, you guys. All right, you guys, I'm excited. We're gonna get to it together. What's the very first important step, you guys? We gotta preheat our oven. So let's go ahead and preheat our ovens to 375. Okay, you guys, so first I'm gonna start off with my bowl. And my ingredients, I'm gonna pour it in there. You guys, there are real blueberries in here. Like, hold on, I'm about to show you guys. I'm working 9 to 5, trying to make a living. Dolly Parton's words. Okay, you guys, so you guys, I'm gonna be using Perm. It smells so, hold on. Oh, hold on, y'all. It smells so good. It smells so good. That's already a good sign. When it smells good before you put it in there, that's how you know. I'm just gonna spray this. You guys, I got my butter. I'm gonna put my butter on the stove to get it melted. You can put it in the microwave if you like. Some people like to do that, but I like my stuff to just feel extra fresh. Okay, you guys, the little one is a topping mix. It's just to pour it in a little bowl, so I'm gonna pour this in a little bowl. You guys, now I'm going to crack my eggs, and then I'm gonna stir them and add them into the big bowl mixture. But make sure to stir them first. If you guys can perfectly crack it and drop it, then crack it and drop it. We got our eggs in there now, you guys. Then we're gonna pour 1/2 cup of milk, you guys. And pour 1/2 cup of milk. Alright. I'm gonna pour 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in here. You guys, now I'm going to go ahead and add my half a cup of butter into my big bowl mixture, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of melted butter into my topping mixture. Pour 1 tablespoon of butter into my topping mix and stir that around. This is how it's looking. Your batter should look something like that. Your strudel topping should look something like that. Put your melted butter in there. This is all the ingredients put together. And we're gonna pour it into our muffin cups and put it in the oven. I can't wait because it smells so good. I'm so excited. You guys, now I'm just pouring the batter into my muffin cups, and this is like so soothing, so therapeutic, one of my favorite parts. Alright, you guys, the stores that I went to, you guys, they only had the one tray. Like, the only other tray was a 12-muffin tray, which I wanted, but it was the miniature tray, and I did not want mini muffins. I wanted it to come out exactly the way Dolly Parton intended it, because I wanted to try it in its true form. So yeah, I'm gonna do it one at a time, but I'm gonna go ahead and add my strudel topping right on top. And you guys, at this point, I'm just gonna sprinkle my strudel topping right on top. Just sprinkle it, get messy, have a little fun with it. I know I do. So just have fun, sprinkle it all over, as long as your hands are clean and freshly washed. You guys, this looks so delicious. We're gonna let it cool for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna dive right in. And we're gonna find out, is it worth the hype? Is Dolly Parton worth the hype? Is it worth your money or not? Let's find out. Stay tuned, y'all. If you guys are wondering, it smells worth the hype. It definitely smells worth the hype. I'm waiting 5 minutes for it to cool, but oh, it just smells so good. This is what it looks like fresh out the oven, you guys. Giving it 5 minutes to cool, and then we're gonna find out, is it worth our money? Is it worth the hype? Dolly Parton. Let's see. Alright, you guys, moment of truth. Alright, you guys, moment of truth. I'm very excited right now. It smells so good. Cheers. You guys, hold on. It's worth the hype. It's worth the hype. If I tell you that it's worth it, it's worth it. You can spend your hard-earned money on Miss Dolly Parton. She definitely did her thing with this one. You guys, this is so good. It's so good. You know, it's got me thinking. It's like, what else does she have out there that I have not tried? I got her cornbread mix. Should I try that, you guys? I don't know. Comment, rate below what you think of this video, and also let me know, should I try the cornbread mix? Like, so far I've tried her baked goods, but like, cornbread's still baked, but it hits different because you eat it with like chicken and rice and all that, and like collard greens and like vegetables, and just, should I try that? And what other baking recipes or other recipes y'all want me to try? Let me know. Let me know, you guys. This is so good. I just want to keep eating. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna dive in this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And check out my other Dolly Parton video, because I have another one. Her brownies. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how this recipe turned out for you guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Later, you guys.